welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be installing a wig. Okay, first I'm gonna be revamping my wig, bringing it back to life, and then putting it on my head because I have college orientation, and I was like, you know what, my hair's in twists right now and I don't really feel like doing it. I was gonna do box braids, but you know, I was working all weekend, shit got busy, so sorry, something in my eye. Shit got busy, so I didn't have time. So I was like, you know what, let me put a wig on. Quick shit, you feel me? I hope. No, if you've been in tune with your girl, she'll know how to do a wig. I don't. Okay, don't come for me. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to install this wig the best I can. It's already pre-cut, like it's the wigs I wore before, but you know, I'm gonna, you know, wash it, condition it, style it, get myself edges, you know, lace, like, you know, lay it, melt it down so y'all could be like lace wig. You know, I at least want to do a decent job, honestly, like somewhat of a decent job, you know. We'll see. I bought some stuff, you know. I don't know if I bought things that I bought were unnecessary or not. You know, we will figure out throughout this experience. Okay, learning. I am learning. So if you guys have any like tips or tricks, leave it down in the comments because your girl gonna need it. Okay, don't be shy. Comment down below if I'm doing anything wrong, or if there's an easier way or a faster way or products. Okay. All right. Now let me show you the wigs. Wig number 1. This is a ready to go wig, and this wig I bleached it, but if you guys can see, I think I left the bleach a little too long because she is a little orange in the middle, but I did buy like cover up spray, so we'll see. So you guys also know that I'm indecisive, so I have this wig. This wig right here was my birthday wig. Now let me see if I can back up. This was my birthday wig that I wore, and you know, I like it, so I was like, you know, I don't know which one to do, this one or this one, so we're gonna see. I mean, I feel like they're the same length. They are, but yeah, so this is the ready to go, and this one I'm gonna have to glue it down, but I'm gonna glue this down regardless just because I don't know, I don't really trust it. So I'm gonna show you guys how like I revamp it. I watched a couple videos on how to do it, so hopefully I do it right. I heard that some people take these clips off, like the combs that are in. Let me show you guys. You see the combs that are in here, right here? They take them off, but they leave this. Some people also put a band. I did buy a band, but I don't think I'm gonna do all that, honestly. I'm not that advanced. So yeah, so we're gonna try to see. We're gonna figure it out. I'm gonna wash them, guys. Being indecisive is not fun. It's really a hard thing to decide, like, if I want to do stuff or not. Should I detangle it first, or does the water do all that shit for me? Alright, well, I'm gonna figure it out. And then I'm gonna meet you guys with me doing what I need to do to this wig, okay? So, since one of my wigs has glue on it, what I'm gonna do is I put a little boiling water in a bowl. And then I have Dawn soap. I'm just gonna mix it in there. So this is the next day. It's a 2-day process because your girl's busy. So I'm gonna do like a little comparison type thing to see which one I like better. Let me put my cap on.
Jag vill dra mig ur allting. Det är som jag hakar upp mig med flit. Det är alltid någonting som får mig att vända om innan jag har testat dans. Jag försöker.
Again, guys, let me know in the comments if I need to be doing something because, you know, I don't know what I'm doing. I think I'm just gonna go with this wig. Right now, I'm trying to move the flyaways so I can lay it without, like, you know. I'm about ready to give up, honestly, and I just started. This is why I don't do this, because my patience. So now I'm just going to put the spray, whatever, glue on, like, my forehead, not my hairline. Now, don't come for me, but this is what I'm going to be using. Because, y'all hear that? I don't wear wigs, so I bought the small one before the whole shenanigan happened, so I still have it. I'm going to use it. But if you guys can please leave down in the comments, like, you know, alternatives, because even though, you know, they fucking suck as a company, their products are really good. So if you guys can find me an alternative for this, thank you. Okay, down in the comments. But for now, you know, first I'm going to clean my forehead. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to do one side. I'm not going to do the whole thing because, you know, I'm going to start to freak the fuck out. Like, I'm going to spray the whole perimeter, but lay one side at a time. Cool. Understood. Heard you. So you want it tacky, which she is. Okay, so now I'm gonna lay one side. Oh, God be with me. Alright, so next I'm gonna just put this spray on my fingers and then pat it down.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds.
I'm just putting it where, like, you know, it's lifting a little bit, hopefully. Okay, so one section first. We're gonna get this little section right here. Just gonna press it down.
I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go.
These baby hairs is what be getting me. Cause like, how do you guys get them to stay? Okay. I think we're doing something. I think I'm doing it. Okay.
Work, but I lost track of time. Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get.
Alright, gonna leave that for about like 10-15 minutes and then come back. Alright, so let's take the band off. Oh, when I tell you my ears are screaming. Oh.
Get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself.
Once I put the thing, to be fair, I think I did a good job. I'm not gonna hold you. It's a melting spray, I'm guessing.
Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me. Put your
I'm gonna dry it a little bit so it doesn't get attached to the band.
love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you.
Alright. I had to put these little things in my ear because my ear's killing me and they still hurt, so.
Arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time. When you say you want me for life, was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya. You're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm so low. Watching reruns of the same shows. Almost everybody I'm a no-show. Even with green lights I don't go. Never been sure, no I don't know. How does everybody has to let go of the ego? Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should. Like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I could. If you would show me. Yeah. If you would show me. Yeah. If you would show me. Yeah. I spent so much time daydreaming.